If you're a social media manager juggling more than 3 clients, you're probably one missed deadline away from total burnout. Each client has a different brand voice, a different posting schedule, and a different idea of what good content looks like. One sends you feedback over WhatsApp at 11 p.m. One has edit access to your Google Doc and keeps changing the captions after you've already scheduled them. And the third one hasn't approved last week's content yet, which means this week's is already late. This is what running a social media management business looks like without the right infrastructure. You know you can help more clients, but you lack the tools to make your workflow. Every client has their own pace, but with the right system, every step can be accounted for. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly what it looks like. I'm going to show you the exact 3 tools our customers use to onboard clients professionally, manage their content in a shared workspace, and run the entire backend of their business combining Notion and Google Sheets. Let's get into the system. Every new client relationship starts here. Before you build a content strategy or touch a caption, you need data. This is the social media audit, a Google Sheets template you fill in after the first call with your client. It collects everything you need to understand where they are, where they want to go, and what's actually working on their accounts right now. The first section is the client overview. It lists details about your client's niche, their goals and budget, and it defines their target audience and main pain points. Then you analyze their platforms and content performance. Follower count, current engagement rate, posting frequency. You can see in this example, brand A is at 2,300 followers on Instagram with a 2.1% engagement rate, posting about 3 times a week. On TikTok, they have fewer than 1,000 followers, but a stronger engagement. Already 2 insights before you even post anything. For the content performance, see what's already working. Based on their posting frequency, you can evaluate their reach and engagement rate, give it a score, and see which platforms need improvement and which are the strongest. There's also a competitor analysis section and a 90-day action plan with prioritized recommendations. When you share this with the client, they see that you have done the homework. You have a diagnosis and a plan before you even start. And you have the data to back it up from day one. This is the difference between charging $500 a month and charging $1,500 a month. The work is similar. The perceived professionalism is completely different. Once the audit is done and the strategy is set, you set up the client portal. 1 per client, shared access, clean layout. This is Brand A's client portal. It's a duplicated version of the Essential Content Planner, and it's the only thing they need to access. Your client doesn't need to see your internal system. They don't see your other clients. They see their content plan and nothing else. The content calendar shows them exactly what's planned, what's already live, and what's in progress. The status pipeline, researching, scripting, editing, scheduled, means they always know where every piece of content is. They never have to send you a message asking, hey, when is this going live? Because the answer is always right here. Each content card has the hook, the caption notes, the format, the platform, and the publish date. When Brand A wants to leave feedback, they add a comment directly in Notion. No WhatsApp, no email thread needed. Everything stays in one place. The idea bank is where you drop content ideas as they come up during the month. Between sessions, while scrolling, while researching. Brand A can also add ideas here. It keeps the creative collaboration in one place, instead of scattered across voice messages. Also, it alleviates pressure for you and keeps the client accountable. No more excuses about not seeing your messages because Notion notifies you every time you edit the portal. Now, here's the part that saves you hours each week. You're so busy managing your clients' content that it's hard to find the time to grow your own business. This is where the Complete Content Planner comes in. This is your agency headquarters. It's built for social media managers who want to organize their own marketing machine. Here you can track your business finances, manage your sponsorships and affiliate links, analyze your own content performance, and even use the viral hook generator. This isn't just a content calendar, it's a business management tool. You can define your brand voice and ideal client, track your business goals and milestones, perfect your own content strategy, plan product launches, build relationships with brands thanks to the partners section, and track every penny that comes in or out. Now, let me show you how these three tools work together as one system. Imagine a new client comes in. Step 1, after the first call, you compile the social media audit. Share the spreadsheet with your analysis with your client, and now you have everything you need to build a strategy before the next post is scheduled. Step 2, duplicate the Essential Content Planner as their client portal and share the Notion link. They have access to their content calendar from day one, and they know exactly where to go when they want to see what's planned or leave feedback. Step 3, track their performance. Their content is inside the portal. They can see the impact of your work in real time, and you know where to double down. Step 4, you create amazing content for your brand and get more clients to scale your business. That's the whole system. Audit, portal, backend. 3 tools, 1 workflow, 0 chaos. All 3 templates are linked in the description. The Social Media Manager bundle includes the Essential Content Planner as a client portal, the Complete Content Planner as your internal system, and the Social Media Audit in Google Sheets. Everything you need to onboard clients professionally and run the backend of your business. If you only need one of the 3, each is also available separately, all linked below. If you're managing 2 or more clients and you're still relying on Google Docs, WhatsApp, and memory, this is the right time to upgrade. It took me months to build this system, and you can have it today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.